Hey guys, welcome back to How to Maximize. So today we're gonna learn how to change your phone number on Amazon account. So for that, open your Amazon application, go to your profile section, tap on your account, go to login and security, and you will be getting an option primary mobile number. So for that, if you want to edit that, click on edit, fill the new number you want to add, click on continue. Tap on OK. So what it will do is it will send you a code on your new number as SMS. So copy that code and paste it here. But as for me, this number has been already been existed for different account. But for you guys, after putting that code, click on next and it will be adding that number also. And you will be seeing two number on primary mobile number. So you can just delete the previous number also from here only after clicking edit. So that's it for today folks. If you like this video, give a like, comment, share and subscribe for more.